Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2003 Honda Civic. This Honda is powered by front-wheel drive i4 engine, automatic transmission, and has 103,145 miles. Drive home a reliable 2003 Honda Civic. Affordable, fuel-efficient, and in great condition, this iconic compact car is perfect for daily commutes or weekends away. Don't miss out on this budget-friendly gem. Contact us today. This pre-owned Civic comes with many in comfort and luxury, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.